Good
Let
evening,
us
sir.
start with the next lecture of basic concepts. In fact, most of the things we have already covered, and we'll be doing a wrap up today, if possible, of this chapter. Okay. Everybody is clear with the concept of surcharge. So, Laksh, you are pretty clear, or do you want me to just. Okay, let me quickly do a quick recap of what we have done till the uh, in the last lectures. So, in the last lecture, we were discussing about surcharge. So surcharge is applicable on those people who are earning high income. So if you are earning between 0 to 50 lakhs, your total income is 0 to 50 lakhs, then there is no surcharge. Correct. You don't have to pay any surcharge. And now you have done so many questions also. And most of you, and in fact, all of you were solving the questions correctly also. So 0 to 50 lakh, we don't have to pay any surcharge. If your income goes beyond 50 lakh, so when you shift your next level, so the first level is 50 lakhs. So if somebody is sitting in this level, he is not required to pay any surcharge, right? So there is no problem of surcharge. But as soon as he shifts to the next level, 50 lakh, he has to pay surcharge. How much? 10%. So if you are sitting in 50 to 100 lakh, if somebody's income is 50 to 100 lakh, the surcharge immediately rises to 10%. Okay. Now let's imagine a person is sitting at 100 lakh, right? This person is sitting at 100 lakh. Surcharge of 10% would be applicable. As soon as his income increases, little bit more than 100 lakh, that is, if it goes beyond 100 lakh, that is 1 crore, to 2 crore, his surcharge rate comes to 15%. And if your income goes above 2 crore, the last one is little special because it says that if your income goes above 2 crores, but what we will see over here, above 2 crores, because the surcharge rate will become 25%. But those people who were having some stock market income like 111A, 112, 112A dividend income, they were quite reluctant to pay 25% surcharge. They were saying, no, 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 we will pay 15% surcharge only. So what we have done is that if your other income is above 2 crore, that is your other income. What does it other income means? What we have done, except, if it is except 111A income, 112 income, 112A income, and dividend income. So if your other income goes above 2 crore, then you have to pay 25% surcharge on your other income. Otherwise, on these type of income, you have to pay maximum 15% surcharge only. But let's say your other income does not go beyond 2 crore. Your total income is more than 2 crore, but your other income is not more than 2 crore, then you will not be in any category. So in that case, if you are not in any category, then on entire income tax, you have to pay 15% surcharge. Guys, everybody is clear with this? Very nice, Priya, Shankara, and Harini.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is quite comfortable. Laksh, where is Laksh? Laksh is there?
Yes, sir.
Laksh, ठीक है? You're comfortable with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, we have also done the concept of rebate. We have also done the concept of rebate. What was happening in rebate? If your income is 0 to 12 lakh, so if a person is sitting in this category, 0 to 12 lakh category, so rebate was available to him. Right? Rebate was there for him. But if it goes more than 12 lakh, so if it is above 12 lakh to more, then rebate is not available. So what we have done is remember, we have done the concept of marginal rebate. I'll talk more about it today. So what was happening is, let's say there is a person who was sitting till 12 lakh, so he was not paying any taxes. As soon as he shifts more than 12 lakh, so 12 lakh 10,000, 20,000, and up to a certain limit, 12 lakh 71,000 we have seen. that if your income is increasing less, but you have to pay taxes more, then we have the concept of marginal rebate also, right? So if your taxes are more than your income, as soon as you shift from 12 lakh to 12 to more than 12 lakh, little bit more than 12 lakh, so we were having a concept of marginal rebate. Guys, ditto similar concept we have in here in surcharge also. That concept is known as marginal relief. Almost similar, I would say 100% similar concept. So let us finish this topic also, marginal relief. What is this topic about? Let's say if somebody is sitting in the first category, imagine, let's say for example, Lakshana is here. Let's say Lakshana's total income is exactly 50 lakh. Her total income is exactly 50 lakh. Guys, please tell me, is she supposed to pay surcharge or there is no surcharge? Exactly 50 lakh.
Surcharge.
No surcharge, right? She is in the first category. But let's say imagine that her income increases little bit above. Let's say somewhere about 50 lakh, 20,000 or even 51 lakh. So as soon as it comes to 51 lakh, little bit above, so she will come in the second category. And due to the second category, she has to pay a huge amount of surcharge. She has to pay a huge amount of surcharge, 10%. Right. So as soon as we shift our category, why? Because our income little bit increases beyond 50 lakh to this percentage. Our surcharge increase marginally. Marginally means significantly. Our surcharge increase significantly, and there might be reasons, there might be situations where your income is not increasing that much, but your taxes are increasing so much. I'll give you the example. But let us understand, because you know the concept of marginal rebate, same concept is here, and it is known as marginal relief. What happens is, let's say for example, a person is sitting at here, 100 lakh. Let's say for example, Fanny is here, so his total income is 100 lakh. Okay, exactly 100 lakh. How much surcharge he is paying? 10%. Imagine a situation that his income increases little bit over and above, little bit above 100 lakh. So he will shift his category from second category to third category. And he has to pay surcharge instead of 10%, he has to pay 15% surcharge. And there might be cases that is due to the surcharge, his taxes are going way beyond than his income. So we will give him a concept of marginal relief. So let us understand it with numbers. Everybody, write with me. Take example of two friends. Example. Let's say this is Mr. A. He is having a total income of 50 lakh. Everybody write this. So this person has a total income of 50 lakh. No surcharge, everyone. Lisha, Asmita, Sriniti, no surcharge.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Correct, na? No surcharge. Let's say his friend Mr. B. He is earning 51 lakh. How much is the surcharge here? Everyone tell me how much is the surcharge? 10%.
10%.
10%. Okay. Again, very, very good. 10%. Okay. Now let's say A and B, they are two friends. They are again the same example. They are neighbors and their family, and B's family feels very proud that our son is earning more than your son. 50 lakh is also a good amount, but he is earning little bit more. So his family is very proud. Arey, our son is earning more. Okay. Let us see that how much they take home. Please tell me what is the tax on 50 lakh. Everyone in 5 seconds. Don't calculate cess. Just the tax. Tax on 50 lakh. 5 seconds.
10,80,000.
Very good.
10,80,000.
10,80,000. Let us forget the cess for the time being. So he has to pay the person who is earning 50 lakh rupees. Let's say Lakshana. She is, this is, let's say Lakshana. So she is, has to pay 10 lakh 80,000 taxes. How much she will take home? How much she will take home? 50 lakh minus 10 lakh 80,000. Don't write this, don't write this. But I think that she can take 39 lakh,
39 lakh
39.2
20
lakh.
thousand.
She can take it home, right? She can bring to her home 39.2 lakh. Don't write this. Imagine there is another person who is earning more than this person, more than this person. Just calculate his taxes on 51 lakh.
11 lakh 10,000. 11 lakh 10,000.
Very good. 11 lakh 10,000. Okay. So 11 lakh 10,000. And plus this person has to pay surcharge also at a rate of 10%.
1 lakh 10,000.
1 lakh, is it 11?
11,000.
1 lakh 11,000. Total comes to
12 lakh 21,000.
12 lakh 21,000. Okay. Guys, how much he will take home? $38 lakh 79,000. Don't write this. He will take home 38.79. And how much my other guy was taking home? 39.2. In fact, this person can take more money at his home, ignoring the 4% cess. So this person, although he is earning more, but he will be able to take less money at his home. Why? Because his income. Please, can you tell me how much is his marginal income, guys? You all understand now what is marginal income. How much is the
1
marginal
lakh.
income?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Guys, his income is increasing just by 1 lakh. Remember, we have done like this, that his income is increasing just by 1 lakh. This is income. And tell me, how much is the extra taxes he has to pay? Extra taxes. Compare. This person was paying 1080. This person is paying 12 lakh 21,000. So he is
1 lakh 41,000.
So he is now supposed to pay taxes. Taxes are more. Taxes is how much? Taxes is 1 lakh 41,000. These are the taxes, and he is not happy with it. He is not at all happy. Guys, my screen is clear to everybody. You can easily read it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you so much. So his income is increasing just by 1 lakh. So B will say, Array, my income is increasing only by 1 lakh and I am paying taxes 1 lakh 41,000. How much would you think that he is? He will ask for discount. He will ask for what? He will ask for marginal relief. He will ask for marginal relief. He will say, sir, I need a discount. So we are using a concept of marginal relief now in surcharge also, which is almost similar to the concept of marginal rebate. Please, can you now tell me how much relief he is looking for? This one. 41,000. He says,
41,000.
now he will say, sir, please take this amount also. Please take this amount also, 1 lakh rupees extra. But don't take this extra amount. That is a hardship on me. My income is increasing by 1 lakh, but my taxes are increasing by this much amount. So this is a hardship on me. So my marginal relief would be 41,000. I will not pay 1221. Please give me discount of 41,000. Please give me a discount of 41,000. So this is my marginal relief. So how much taxes he will pay now? 1221 minus 41. So this is 12.21 minus 41,000. He will pay 11 lakh 80,000 plus 4%. Health and education says. Little bit, at least 10, 20, 30%. Have you understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. So what was happening? This only happens whenever we shift from one level to another level, and only to a certain extent, when my income is less but my taxes are more. But after some time na guys, if I will take 56 lakh 55 lakh na, you will find that there is no marginal relief. The same way, see, the same way, you remember in rebate what was happening? 0 to 12 lakh. See, if the income is up till 12 lakh, so there is no problem, you will get the rebate. But if you are going little bit up then 12 lakh, so till 12 lakh 10,000 also there was a rebate. So but the rebate was going on decreasing. Do you remember in the last example what we are doing? As soon as we are going up and up and up, my rebate amount was decreasing, and at one point of time there was no rebate. So do you remember that after 12 lakh 71,000 something there was no rebate, and after that there was no rebate at all? Do you remember that particular example, Harini?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Up to a certain limit also there is rebate. The same way here also, in same concept is here in surcharge also. Whenever you shift from one category to another category, let's say 0 to 50 lakh, there was no surcharge. But as soon as you go little bit above 50 lakh, let's say 51 lakh 52 lakh, so there might be marginal relief. But if you go more and more beyond, you will find that there would be no marginal relief, and you don't have to calculate it even. Same way, let's say for example, you are sitting in 100 lakh. You are sitting in the second category, 50 to 100 lakh. And how much surcharge you were paying? 10%. But as soon as you shift to the next category, as soon as you shift to next category more than 100 lakh, your surcharge becomes 15%. And because of this 15%, your taxes are increased marginally. So you will get a relief. Everyone. Now you have written this example. Now leave it and now write another example. Just leave that example right there. No, we are not proceeding with that example. Okay, sorry. What you can do is, let us complete it. Let us complete it. I believe that you have written till here, everyone. Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is tax plus surcharge. Call it A. Just call it A. These are the taxes. Call it A. Less. Ditto same concept which we have done in marginal rebate. Less marginal relief, if any. Marginal relief, if any. He has just crossed which level? 50 lakh. He has just crossed the 50 lakh level. So what I'll write? Tax on rupees 50 lakh plus additional income. If you want to write marginal income, that is also correct. Just write tax on 50 lakh plus additional income. You told me that tax on 50 lakh was 10 lakh 80,000, correct na? Because on 50 lakh there was no surcharge. On 50 lakh there was no surcharge. I'm again repeating. On 50 lakh there was no surcharge. So how much tax was there? 10 lakh 80,000. Plus additional income. How much was the additional income, guys? 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
This is your income which is increasing. The total is how much? 11 lakh 80,000. Call it B. So your taxes are more and your income is less. Your taxes are more and your income is less. Same thing. Taxes are more than income? Yes. A is greater than B? Yes. Therefore, marginal relief is equal to, what it is equal to, guys? A minus B. That big line minus small line, that extra that extra part we will get 41,000. A minus B. So A is 12 lakh 21,000. B is 11 lakh 80,000. So the rebate is 41,000. The rebate is 41,000. So now this is the rebate. This minus this. So 11,80,000 is your taxes plus 4% cess final. I was telling you last time also, health and education cess will come at the last. So 11,80,000 into 4%, 47,200. 12,27,200 is the tax liability. Let me know if you have written this. Done? Okay. Now let us come to the next example. Compute. Guys, this marginal relief and marginal rebate is very rarely the examiner asks. It is in your course, so we have to do it, but very rarely it is asked in the examination. Compute tax liability of Mr. B. His total income is 51,65,000. His total income is 51,65,000. Now, tax on above. $51.65 minus 24 into 0.3 plus 3. Is it 11,29,500?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Plus this person is sitting in more than 50 lakh to 1 crore, 10% surcharge, everybody. Laksh, 10% surcharge.
Yes, sir.
Darshini, Shreya, everybody. Abhinaya, 10% surcharge. Bhuvan,
Yes, sir.
everybody is okay. If you have doubt, please ask me. So the surcharge is 1,12,950. So still he has just crossed that 50 lakh. He has just crossed that 50 lakh. No, we are asking him to pay 12,42,450. Call it A. These are his taxes. We are asking pay 10% surcharge. He will say, okay, sir, I will pay 10%. But let us see if I would have paid at 50 lakh and whatever the extra amount I am earning, take that also. So what he will say, less marginal rebate or marginal relief, if any. Now, which limit he crossed, guys? 50 lakh he crossed. So tax on rupees 50 lakh plus additional income. You told me tax on 50 lakh is 10,80,000, right? How much is the additional income?
1,65,000. 1,65,000.
Very nice, guys. 1,65,000. Everyone, you can see that additional income is what limit he crossed? He crossed 50 lakh. So the extra amount is the additional income, 1,65,000. 165. So this is 12,45,000. This is B. See? Now, whether his taxes are more or his income is more over here.
Income is more.
Income is more. So is A greater than B? The answer comes no. The answer comes no. A is not greater than B. So therefore, no relief. There will be no relief. So guys, I'm giving you that till 51 lakh something, there is only relief. When you go beyond 51.5 lakh, 52, 53, 54, there would be no relief. So even you don't have to calculate if the difference goes more. So here the difference is 165. When the difference was 1 lakh till 1 lakh, if you go a little bit above, you will get the relief. But if you go more beyond 1 lakh, then there is no relief. So no relief over here. And 12 lakh 42,450 would be taxes plus 4% sale. So in this case, there is no relief. Done. Another example. Calculate tax on rupees.
Sir, is the 4% amount correct, sir?
I think this one.
It's
Sir, it's
49,698.
49,698.
49,698.
Which one? This one.
No, sir, no,
No,
sir.
sir, 4% cess.
4% charge.
12 lakh 42,450 into 4%. Okay. Is it 49,698?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. My bad. 12 lakh 92,148, and it will be rounded off. Okay. Now, let us come to the next example. Calculate tax on 1 crore 95,000. First of all, tell me, guys, this person has crossed which limit? 1 crore limit. Till you understand, till 0 to 50 lakh, no surcharge. 50 lakh to 100 lakh, 10% surcharge. But since he has little bit crossed 100 lakh, now he's in the third category. More than 1 crore till 2 crore. And how much he came? 15%. So till here he was paying 10%, but now because his category got shifted, how much is the marginal income? 95,000. Just by 95,000, he is supposed to pay surcharge at 15%. So let us see whether there would be relief or not. Tax on rupees 1 crore 95,000. Is it 26 lakh 8,500, guys? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how much is the surcharge the government would be asking from him? 10 or
50.
15? 15.
50.
Mainly, Shushmita, Nivitha, you are okay that the income tax
sir.
department would be asking 15% surcharge from him because it is more than 1 crore, right? Into 15%. 3 lakh 91,275. 29 lakh 99,775. Guys, correct?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Asmita, Dikshita,
Yes, sir.
Yalini,
Sir.
29,99,775. Now,
Yes, sir.
what
Yes,
he will
sir.
say, I was sitting at 1 crore, there I was paying 10% surcharge. But because of this extra 95,000, I have to pay 15% surcharge. So let us say he is asking for discount, less marginal relief, if any. Guys, what I should write? Everybody tell me what I should write. Tax on what? Earlier I was writing tax on 50 lakh. Now I should write what? Tax on?
1 crore.
1 crore.
1 crore.
Very good. 1 crore. Plus what? Plus additional income.
Additional income.
Marginal
95,000.
income, right? Okay. How much is the additional income?
95,000.
95,000.
Tell me the tax on 1 crore. 100 lakh.
25 lakh.
100 lakh. What you will write over here? Everybody tell me what you will write over here.
25 lakh 80,000.
25 lakh 80. Okay. Guys, how many have understood that I am writing 28 lakh 38,000? How many have understood that I am writing 28 lakh 38,000? Tell me how I wrote this.
Adding
Including
10% surcharge.
Because guys, the person who is sitting at 1 crore, what he would be doing earlier? He would be paying 10% surcharge earlier. So 10% he was paying now earlier because he was sitting at 1 crore. So here the tax on 1 crore is how much? 25 point what you told me plus 10% surcharge. So please don't make a mistake over here. Some students write only the taxes. No, on 1 crore there was surcharge also. See, why I have not written it over here on 50 lakh? Because on 50 lakh there is no surcharge. But here on 1 crore though there is a surcharge also. So I will write adding that surcharge also. Everybody got this?
Yes.
Shankara, you got this? Inia, you got this? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any question? I'm just pausing a little bit over here. Tell me.
Sir, could you please calculate that?
This one?
Yes, sir.
Sure, Smita. See, on 1 crore, see, you understand now 24 lakh, so we have tax of 3 lakh rupees, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And on 76 lakh, how much was the tax? 76 into 0.3, 22.8. So up till 25.8 you got?
Yes, sir.
Correct, na? So this was
Yeah.
100 lakh. This was 100 lakh, 1 crore. So on 1 crore, the taxes is 25.8. But the person who sits at 1 crore is also supposed to pay surcharge also, right now? Because we have limits like if you are sitting at 1 crore, highest limit of the second category. So you have to pay 10% surcharge also. So here on 25.8 plus 10% surcharge also was there, 2.58. So plus 3 plus 10%. So it became 28 lakh 38,000. So we should write this amount over there. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
Because
you.
on 1 crore you are supposed to pay surcharge also, and that too of 10%.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So why we were not writing in the earlier example? Because earlier example was telling me tax on 50 lakh. So on 50 lakh, so there was no surcharge. So I was not adding surcharge there. But here though on 1 crore we have surcharge. So we have to take surcharge also. So this is 28 lakh 38,000. The total is 29 lakh 33,000. This is your additional income P. Whether A is great, whether taxes are more than your income, additional income, yes. So therefore, marginal relief is equal to A minus B. 29,99,775 taxes minus your additional income 29,33,000. So that extra part we are looking for the relief. $66,775. So I will subtract this. Everybody got this one now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is 29,33,000 plus 4% cess. Is it 1,17,320?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is tax liability. Rudra got it. Juhi is here.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So this is your tax liability. Now, can I proceed, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Example, compute tax on 2 crore 92,000. 2 crore 92,000. Normal income, right? So if your income is more than 2 crore, how much is the surcharge? 25%. So tax on is it 62,37,600? Now write the complete figures. If you want to write 200.92, you can write that also. Minus 24. No, I think I have made a mistake.
So 56 lakh 7,600.
7,600.
Correct. 56 lakh 7,600. This is the correct one. Okay.
Sir, but we didn't add any surcharge over there.
We are just doing this. Plus 25% surcharge.
14
Added-
lakh 1,900.
Correct. 14 lakh 1,900. 25%. This comes to 70 lakh 9,500. This is your taxes A. Which limit we crossed? We crossed 2 crores. Now you all know what I'll write over here. Tax on rupees 2 crores plus marginal income. So tax on 2 crores, 200 minus 24 into 0.3 plus 3 plus 15%. Guys, are you okay with 64 lakh 17? No. No. Correct. Are you okay with 64 lakh 17,000?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this? This is tax on 200 lakh plus 15% surcharge. Adding 15% surcharge. Everybody got this figure or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is including surcharge. So I'm writing it over here. This is including 15% surcharge. How much is the additional income? 92,000. So this is 65 lakh 9,000. This is your B. C. Whether A is greater than B? Yes, very much. In fact, around 5 lakh rupees. Yes. So therefore, marginal rebate, marginal relief. And guys, please understand the logic also. Surcharge has increased drastically. See, up till 2 crore, he was only paying 15% surcharge. And now the surcharge rate has become almost double. Not exactly double, but almost double. 15 into 2 is almost 30%. It is 25%. So it has grown around 66, 70% extra. So because now, since we have crossed that 2 crore, and because of that 2 crore, our surcharge rate has become humongous, 25%. So obviously he would be asking for good amount of discount. So how much is the discount? A minus B. So this minus this.
5,500,000.
5,500,000.
Okay. Is it 5,500,000, right?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this is 65,09,000. Plus 4%, sir. Is it what you are getting? 67, 69, 360?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody
Yes,
understood
sir.
the concept of marginal relief? So it is very, very similar to marginal rebate. And there could be marginal relief also if you go little bit above. But if you go far beyond, then there is no need to calculate marginal relief. See, if I tell you, sure, Deepak, this one, Deepak, this one. Okay. See, this is 292,000. 2 lakh, 200 lakh, 92,000. Just do the two parts. Just do two parts of it. One is 24 lakh and other is, on your calculator, write the complete amount. 292,000 minus, write the complete amount, not in lakhs, but the complete figure. 24 lakh. Is it 176 lakh 92,000? Deepa, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Deepa, you are here. You got it? This one? Okay. Actually, your voice is not audible to me, but still. So on this, the tax is 3 lakh, right? And on this, the tax is 30%. So into 30% of this is 53 lakh 7,600, and the total tax comes to, see, on 202 crore 92,000, we have made two parts of it, 24 lakh and the remaining amount. On remaining amount, it is 30%. On 24 lakh, it is 3 lakh. So the total comes to 56 lakh 7,600. So this is how I got 56,07,600. Are you okay with this? Okay. Got it now? Okay. Now. And then we added 25% surcharge because this person is now setting more than 2 crore. So he has to pay 25% surcharge. But he will say that, sir, actually I was comfortably paying 15% surcharge when my income was 2 crores. And because of this just additional income of 92,000, I have to pay 25% surcharge, which is a hardship on me. We will say, okay, we will give you a discount. How much discount we will give you? That when you were sitting at 2 crore, you were paying this much taxes plus 15% surcharge. So he will say, yes, when I was sitting at 2 crore, I was paying the taxes plus 15% surcharge. He is ready to pay this amount, and he is ready to pay the additional amount also, 92,000. So how much he is willing to pay? 65 lakh 9,000. But what we are asking him to pay? 70 lakh 9,000. So that extra amount which we are asking, we will give him a discount. That is known as marginal relief. So we give him a marginal relief, and this is the taxes which he has to pay. Okay, I'm summarizing this topic now with the last example. Please tell me, let's say a person is having an income of zero, don't write this. Let's say a person is having an income of 0 to 50 lakh, no surcharge. If his income increases little bit, 50 lakh to 1 crore, then there is a surcharge rate of 10%. But if he is sitting somewhere at the lower limit, at the lower side, let's say 50 lakh, 1,000, or let's say 51 lakh, so he can ask for discount. But if he's sitting, if the difference is more, let's say for example, his income is, let's say 60 lakh, 70 lakh, 80 lakh, guys, he will not get any discount. So in that case, whenever a person is sitting, let's say somewhere in between, even more than 50 to 53 lakh, there would be no rebate at all. So please don't waste your time in calculating the rebate also, or this marginal relief also, because there would be no marginal relief in that case. There would be no discount in that case. So let's say if I give you an example, everybody please write. Calculate tax liability on rupees 72 lakh. So if I give you the example, calculate 72 lakh. So what was his earlier limit? Earlier limit was 50 lakh, right? Now, earlier level was 50 lakh, and now he is in this level. And if you can see that there is a huge difference over here, 50 lakh till 72, there is a huge difference. So even if you will calculate marginal relief, that is of no use. That is worthless step. So even don't waste your time if the difference is huge. So if I will say that calculate tax on 72 lakh, what you will say? Okay, sir. Tax on 72 lakh. Guys, how much?
17 lakh 40,000.
Correct. 17 lakh 40,000 plus 10% surcharge, 174. 19 lakh 14,000. Everybody got this? 19 lakh 14,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we should not even waste our time in calculating relief. Why? Because even if we will calculate marginal relief, there would be of no use. See, let me calculate it, but it will be of no use. Less marginal relief, if any. What I'll say, what was his earlier limit? He is sitting in here. What was his earlier limit? 50 lakh. Tax on 50 lakh plus additional income. How much is the tax on 50 lakh? No surcharge, na? Only 10 lakh 80,000. Only the taxes is there. On 50 lakh, there is no surcharge. How much is additional income? 22 lakh. How much it is coming? 32 lakh 80,000. Guys, huge. His income is huge. His taxes are very less compared to it. So this is A. This is B. Whether A is greater than B? Not at all. Not at all. B is huge. Right? There is a huge difference. So I should not even waste my time in examinations. So whenever you are just sitting at the lower limit of the next level, if you are just sitting at the lower limit of the next level, let's say 50 lakh, 51 lakh, 51 point something, then you should calculate the margin relief. But if the difference is huge, let's say on 55 lakh, I am telling you that you will not get any relief. So we will not waste our time over there. So here there is no relief, and this is my correct taxes. So 19 lakh 14,000 is my taxes plus 4% cess. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Everybody understood where I'm getting these figures? Anyone is confused with any of the figure? Please do tell me. Anyone didn't understand any of the figure which is written over here? Please tell me. Okay. Now, everyone, please write tax rates on different types of assessees. Tax rate on different types of assessee. Guys, in India, we follow two tax systems. In India, we follow two tax systems. One is known as slab rate system, which we have done, which we are doing in since last 4-5 classes. That is a slab rate. Up till first slab, 0 to 4 lakh, no tax. Next slab, you go to 4 to 8 lakh. So next slab, you have to pay 5%. 8 to 12 lakh, you have to pay 10%. So this is what? This is slab. As soon as your income is increasing, so there were different rates. So slab rate system is applicable on individual assessee. So individual, let's say there is your client, Mr. A, Mr. B, Miss C, they have to pay taxes at slab rate. HUF has to pay taxes at slab rate. Hindu undivided family, they are also assessee, they have to pay also taxes at slab rate. AOP or BOI. The full form of AOP is Association of Person. The full form of BOI is Body of Individual. AOP BOI also pay tax as per the slab rate. Now let us understand what is this AOP and BOI are. Let's say, for example, don't write it, just understand this. Let's say Darshini, don't write it. Let's say Darshini and Bhuvan. Let's say their exams are over. Let's say CA inter exams are over, and they are resting for next 2 months till the result. So they are now just their vacations are going on and they are resting, and their exams went well, and so everyone. So Dashni and Bhuvan, what they decided is, let's say for just 2 months, let us do something. Let us do some business. So they found that, let's say for example, in Chennai, don't write it, guys. In Chennai, there is an international fair is organized. International fair is organized by Tamil Nadu state government, and it is happening in Chennai for 1 or 2 months. And they found that let us do some business over there. Let us open a restaurant over there. So because delegates would be coming from all around the world. So they would be staying over there. So let us make a temporary restaurant over there. They said both of them said yes, we can go over there because we are having vacations, we have nothing to do as of now. So let us go there and earn some profit. So for 2 months, they went over there, they earned some income. Let's say in this 2 months, they have earned rupees 5 lakh rupees of income. Correct? And they both went together. But they have not formed a partnership firm. They both are doing business together, which you commonly know, it is known as a joint venture. Guys, have you heard this topic? Have you heard this word joint venture?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So they
Yes,
jointly
sir.
so they jointly came together and they do that business. And for 2 months they came into this business together. And after that, when the fair was over, that international fair was over, they came back and they now are separate. Right? They are now separate. So this joint venture has happened just for 2 months. And during this 2 months, they have earned a profit of 5 lakh. Now tell me who has earned the profit? Darshini and Bhuvan, together they have earned the profit. So is it a individual who has earned this profit? The answer is no. So it was a body of individual. So there were two natural person, Darshini and Bhuvan. So it is known as body of individual. We don't call it joint venture in income tax. In income tax, we call it body of individual, BOI, right? So BOI is also a assessee. BOI is also a assessee and they have to pay a tax. Like individual assessee, like HUF assessee. So same way, we have BOI, body of individual. Let's say, for example, and these people are called what? These are the members of BOI. So Darshini and Bhuvan are the members of BOI, right? They have not formed a partnership firm. They have just formed a joint venture, a body of individual, and they did a business for some time. So it could be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years also. It doesn't matter that it will only be for 1 or 2 months. It can range from few days to few years also, doesn't matter. But how they are conducting the business? They are conducting a business as a joint venture, which we call a body of individual. And these are the members. Let's say, for example, there are three members. Darshini is there, Bhuvan is there, and there is a partnership firm, let's say ABC and Sons. This is also a partnership firm. They three are the members of this joint venture. So are everybody, all the members, who are the members? Three people. Darshini, natural person, Bhuvan, natural person, and ABC and Sons is not natural. It is artificial person. Can I say that it is a body of individual? No. There is some other than natural person also, and it is ABC and Sons. So we will call it as an AOP now. We will call them as an association of person. We will not call them BOI. Why? Because all the members are not natural person. We will call them AOP, association of person. Guys, have you understood the difference between AOP and BOI?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the similarity? They are nothing but they are joint ventures only. So BOI is also a joint venture, AOP is also a joint venture. If all the members are natural person, we call it BOI. It is also kind of assessee. If any of the member is an artificial person, we will call it AOP. But I tell you that income tax treat them similarly. Although just for difference sake, I have told you that here in BOI all are natural person. In AOP, one or more of them could be an artificial person. But income tax has made all the provisions 100% same. All the income tax provision is same on AOP and BOI. So wherever you will find this word in income tax, although in intermediate we don't do it, it is more for final. But in here also, if you anywhere you will find the word AOP, always it is written AOP/BOI, 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 because all the provisions of Income Tax Act is same for AOP and BOI. So this is nothing, but you can write it down that they are nothing but joint venture. So they also have to pay tax at the slab rates. One more person is there. artificial juridical person. We call them AJP. Like temples, mosque, there's temples. Imagine Tirupati, Shirdi temple. They have income. They have lots and lots of income, right? Although most of their income is exempt. That we will do in CA final. That how we tax them. But what are they? They are artificial juridical person. That deities, temples, mosque, church, gurudwara, deities, they also have income and they are called as AJP, artificial juridical person. So, Income Tax Act, individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, artificial juridical person, they pay tax as per the slab rates, which we were doing since last 4 or 5 classes. So, how much taxes they have to pay? Let's say AOP or BOI has an income of 12 lakh. So, how will they will pay the tax? 0 to 4 lakh, nil. 4 to 8 lakh, 5%. 8 to 12 lakh, 10%. Guys, what do you think? Rebate is available to AOP BOI? Rebate is only for whom?
Resident individual.
Only for
Individual.
individual, that to resident. So rebate is not for them, not for them, not for them. So they have to pay taxes as per slab rate, but there is no rebate for them. Rebate is only and only for individual. First of all, tell me all of you are understanding it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So individual has to pay taxes at slab rate. We know the slab rate 0 to 4, 4 to 8, and so on. HUF also has to pay taxes on slab rate. So let's say, for example, imagine a practical thing. A client comes to your office and he says that we have a joint venture. We are a body of individual and we have income of 24 lakh. How much taxes they have to pay? 3 lakh. You know how you got this 3 lakh. 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, and so on. So they have to pay 3 lakh rupees of taxes. Rebate, no rebate for them, right? Even if their income is 10 lakh, no rebate for them because rebate is only for individual. We also have partnership firm. No, first
I'm
slide.
having a doubt.
Yes, please. Tell me.
Sir, we are having marginal relief now, sir.
Correct.
Is that also only for individuals or we can calculate it for HUF?
Marginal relief is for everybody. It is for everybody.
Okay,
I have
sir.
to tell this. Marginal rebate is for everybody. Flat rate,
Okay, sir.
I'll tell you, don't worry. Flat rate, partnership firm, including limited liability partnership firm, LLP. %30 tax rate. 30% tax rate. Companies. Guys, this is for your knowledge. For CA intermediate, only this is relevant. And little bit HUF. Little bit HUF. Very, very little HUF. But this is what you should know as a income tax student, as an income tax professional. You should know about them also. It will not come in your CA intermediate, don't worry. But these are the basic thing which every person who is reading income tax or who is learning income tax, they should know about it. So this will not come in your exams. This will not come in your exams, don't worry. But we have to do it at least because there would be some time, not more, but let's say for 1 mark if it is there somewhere. So you should know that what it is, right? So you should know that there is some flat rate also for partnership firm. So let's say, for example, there is a partnership firm. So let's say if there is a partnership firm, don't calculate their taxes by slab rate. They have to pay taxes at flat rate. Partnership firm or LLP, they have to pay tax at 30%. Companies, if it is domestic company, they have to pay 30% flat rate tax. And if in case these domestic companies are small companies, so what is small company? I'll let you know. Don't worry. 25% tax. Flat rate. Flat 25%. And if it is foreign company, then they have to pay 35% taxes. Their tax rate is 35% flat. First of all, write it, guys. Then I'll explain you more about it. Let's say there is a foreign company. Now you might be thinking, sir, foreign company, why we are taxing their income in India? Doubt na? Why we are taxing foreign company tax here in India? Let's say foreign company has a branch in India. For example, let's say Apple Inc., the phone which you use, iPhone, iPad, MacBook. Apple Inc. is a US based company. Is it registered in India under Companies Act 2013, or it's a US based company? It's a US based company, not registered in India. Correct? Do they have their branches in India? Yes, they have Apple Store. They have Apple Store in Mumbai. They have Apple Store in Delhi, right? So they have branches in India. So are they doing business in India also? Yes, they are doing business in India. Are they earning income in India? Yes, they are earning income in India. Everybody is okay with this?
Yes, sir.
They are earning income in India. So if they are earning income in India, so Indian government will say, boss, you have to pay tax in India because you are earning income in India. And since they are foreign company, they have to pay 35% tax. Let me discuss that what is all about. And please write a note over there. Note number 1. The above tax rates are on normal income. The above tax rates are on normal income. Special income is taxable at special rates for all assessees. Special income is taxable at special rates for all assessee. What does it mean? That if anyone is earning triple 1A income, guys, you all understand what is triple 1A?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is triple 1A?
Equity share short term.
Equity share short term.
Very nice, very nice. Equity share short term. How much is the tax on it? 20%. Everybody has to pay 20%. Whether you are individual, whether you are company, whether you are a partnership firm, doesn't matter. On triple 1A, the tax rate is 20%. On 112, the tax rate is 12.5%. What is
12.5.
What is 112? Other long term. On 112A, the tax rate is 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. And on casual income, the tax rate is 30% for everybody. Special rates are taxable at special rates. Special income are taxable at special rates only. First of all, tell me, have you written this or not?
Yes, sir.
I'm not asking you understood. Understood, so you will understand with example. Have you all written this? Okay. Now, let us imagine there is a partnership firm. Everybody. Example. Example. This is Mr. A. This is a partnership firm. This is a foreign company. Right? So we have three different assessee. Imagine practically. You are sitting in your office and there are three different clients who comes to you. One is Mr. A, individual. Second is some partners of partnership firm comes to you and they say that we have income of a partnership firm. And there are some directors of a foreign company, they also come to you and they have a foreign company, right? They all are earning income. Everybody please write. Their total income is, let's say, 4 lakh, 4 lakh, 4 lakh. Everybody is earning 444. Mr. A's income is also 4 lakh. Partnership firm income is also 4 lakh. And foreign company income is also 4 lakh. Correct? Now, imagine it is not a special income. And if special income is not mentioned, always assume it's a normal income. Right? You all know. Guys, how much is the tax for Mr. A? Everybody tell me. It's his normal income.
0, sir.
Very good. 0. Everybody? 0?
Yes, sir.
Shankar, Srivatsan,
Yes, sir.
Lakshana, Laksh. 0? No doubt about it? Nil. Partnership firm, flat rate, how much? 30% flat.
30%.
Flat. Because it is what? Is it slab? What is slab? Guys, look at these words. What is slab? This level wise. And what is flat? Flat rate, simple, blanket rate. Blanket means everything, for everything it is same. So it is a flat rate. How much? 30%. So partnership firm has to pay tax at rate of 30%. How much? 1,20,000 plus 4% cess. So everybody has to pay 4,800. 1,24,800. See, look at the difference. Individual assessee is not paying any tax. Partnership firm is paying how much tax? Flat 30% tax. Everybody is understanding it? Please tell me, if the partnership firm
Yes, sir.
income would have been 1 lakh, guys, whether they are supposed to pay taxes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
30%. 30% flat rate. 30% flat rate, how much? 30,000 plus 4% cess, that is how much? 1,200. So 31,200 they have to pay tax also. But if a Mr. A is having 1 lakh rupees of income, no taxes. Tell me, foreign company, how much taxes? 35%
35
flat.
percentage.
So 4 lakh into 35%. So that is 1,40,000 rupees they have to pay tax plus 4% cess. Correct, 5,600. So 145,600. Guys, little bit now you are understanding it or not?
Yes, sir.
So partnership firm. So there are, just remember two. Just remember two. Partnership firm and companies, they pay flat rate of tax. They pay flat rate of tax. They don't get the benefit of slab rate. They have to pay flat 30% tax. So they can't, they have how much basic exemption limit? There is no such basic exemption limit for them. They, on every income, even a partnership firm is earning 100 rupees na, so they have to pay 30 rupees as taxes plus 4% cess, of course. Even if they have income of 100 rupees in a year, they have to pay 30% tax on that. Priya, getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me. Example. Compute the income tax of ABC and associates, a partnership firm. A partnership firm. ABC and associates, a partnership firm. Guys, do you think that a partnership firm can have house property income? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Possible?
Yes, sir.
Possible, yes. They might be having property in their name, partnership firm's name, and they might have let out that property, possible. So they have a house property income of 3 lakh rupees. Guys, of course, they would be having PGVP. So this is PGVP is their main source of income. Their income is, let's say, 12 lakh rupees. Is it possible that they have capital gain income also?
Yes, sir.
Can they
Yes,
sell
sir.
any other assets? Yes, they can sell any other assets. They have capital gain of 5 lakh. Is it possible that they might have triple 1A also? Can they purchase shares? Yes, they can purchase shares. They can sell it also. It could be long term, it could be short term. So they have triple 1A, 2 lakh. They have 112A, 2 lakh. And they have IFOS income also of 1 lakh. This is 3 plus 12 plus 5 plus 1, 21 lakh. Everybody is clear? How we
Yes,
will
sir.
calculate the tax for ABC and associates? Now same thing, same way. On triple 1A at rate of 20%. 112 they don't have, okay. It is possible they can have 112 also, but in this question we don't have. So I'm telling you that on special income, special rate, whatever we have done the special rate is for everybody. See what you have written in note number 2. Special income taxable at special rate for all assessee. So special rate to have no problem. It is for everyone, it is same. So on 112A at rate of 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. They don't have any other special income. And on remaining income, slab rate or flat rate?
Flat rate.
Flat
Flat
rate.
rate. What is the flat rate for the partnership firm? 30%.
30%.
30%. Now, triple 1A. How much is triple 1A? 2 lakh. Guys, 40,000.
Yes, sir.
And on this 112A, 2 lakh minus 1,25,000. Guys, for partnership firm, for companies, for AOPBY, you just have a little bit knowledge, right? In CA intermediate, only it is for individual, but you should have at least that little knowledge. So that is the reason we are gathering that knowledge. So 2,75,000 into 12.5%, 9,375.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And how much is their remaining income? This is 2, this is 2. It is
17
lakh. And on 17 lakh, straight away 30% is 5,10,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 5,10,000 plus 40,000 plus 9,375. This is 5,59,375 plus
Yes, sir.
4% cess.
22,375.
22,375. This is the tax liability, and if it is not rounded off, we should have done the round off also. Same thing, same concept. Everything is same. The only change is flat rate system. Okay. Right. No rebate for partnership firm. In fact, no rebate for anybody other than individual. So for partnership firm also there is no rebate. So even if their total income is less than 12 lakh, doesn't matter, they have to pay taxes. And guys, imagine now, because I was telling you when I have introduced the concept of rebate few days back, when I introduced the concept of rebate, I was telling you that for common people, because most of the decisions in the budget or in the economy comes also the reason behind is that vote bank. So every party needs vote also. So that is for the common people. They have given this benefit of 12 lakh. That is only for individual, not for partnership firm. Partnership firm will not vote. Individual will vote, right? Companies will not vote. Individual will vote. So this rebate is only for individual, not for anybody else. No rebate for partnership firm. Okay. What is the surcharge? If there is a surcharge for partnership firm, everybody, right, please. If there is a surcharge, guys, I am making you write, but please don't learn this. Don't learn this, not required. But write it. Surcharge for partnership firm is if their total income is 0 till 1 crore, surcharge is no surcharge. No surcharge. Up till 1 crore, no surcharge. First category. See, for individual HUF, AOP, BOI, 0 to 50 lakh, same surcharge rate. So 0 to 1 crore, no surcharge. More than 1 crore, surcharge rate is simply 12%. Simply 12%. Over. This is the surcharge rate. That's it. That's it. It is not going even 15%. It is if you are earning more than 1 crore, then 12% surcharge. Otherwise, if you are earning less than 1 crore or up till 1 crore, no surcharge. You don't have to learn. Don't worry, guys. You don't have to learn this. Example. Compute tax liability of ABC LLP. It's a partnership firm. ABC LLP, and their total income is 180 lakh, 1.8 crore, 180 lakh. So their total income is 180, mostly coming from PGBP. They might be doing some business, and 1.8 crore they earned in this year. So if I'm not saying anything, so there is no special income, only the normal income. First of all, tell me the tax on 180 lakh at rate of 30%.
54 lakhs.
54 lakhs. Everybody is understanding it? Plus, guys, surcharge also. What is the surcharge rate on partnership firm?
1%.
More than 1 crore
12%.
income. Yes, more than 1 crore income, 12%. So 12%.
6,48,000.
6,48,000. Correct? Add it. 60,48,000 plus 4% cess. Guys, don't get confused. In income tax, there are so many small points. Don't get confused. I'm telling you, you don't have to learn. So you might be thinking, Arey sir, now we are doing surcharge for partnership firm. Then you will tell of companies. Don't worry, you don't have to learn this. Only the surcharge which we have practiced a lot, only that is required for your examinations. So don't worry about this. But I am just giving you an overview that this is there for partnership firm also, companies also. So into 4% is how much?
41,920.
Correct. So this is 62,89,920. This is the tax liability. Everybody is comfortable with this?
Yes, sir.
So you might be thinking, sir,
Yes,
there are
sir.
so many things. You might be thinking, sir, Arey sir, there are so many things in income tax. Itna sara hai. So many things to do. I understand so many things are there, but don't worry, you don't have to learn this. I'm telling you, don't worry, you don't have to learn this. Now, let's say, guys, a partnership firm, and I think Sushmita or someone is asking me, the marginal relief is available for partnership firm also or other also? The answer is yes. See, let's say if the partnership firm is sitting at 1 crore, 30% is the tax rate, that's okay. But surcharge is 0. But as soon as they shift from 1 crore to more than 1 crore, little bit extra. So they have to pay surcharge 12%. So will there be marginal relief for a partnership firm also? Yes, why not? Margin, wherever there is surcharge, there is marginal relief also for all types of assessee. Let us see this. Let us see this. Example. Example. Compute tax liability of XYZ partnership firm. Compute tax liability of XYZ partnership firm. Their total income is 101 lakh. Little bit above 1 crore. Little bit above 1 crore, 100 lakh, 1 lakh extra. So their income is more than 1 crore, right? 101 lakh. 1 crore, 1 lakh. Tax on rupees 101 lakh at rate of 30%. Agree flat? Everybody's okay with this?
Yes, sir.
30 lakh, 30,000 plus 12% surcharge. Guys, don't worry, you don't have to learn it. I'm again and again repeating, so don't worry. You don't have to learn this. What do you have to learn this? I'll keep on telling you. 12% surcharge. How much it is?
3,63,600.
Correct. 33 lakh 93,600. Now what they will say, sir, up till 1 crore, so we were not paying any surcharge, but we are just got an income little bit extra. 1 lakh we are earning extra. Because of that, we might be paying humongous tax. Let us see. Less. Marginal relief, if any. Guys, what I should write? Please tell me. Help me to write text on. Write the statement. Text on how much?
1 crore.
1 crore.
1 crore. Very good. Text on 1 crore or 100 lakh. Same thing. Plus additional income. Everyone tell me how much is the additional income?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. And please tell me tax on 1 crore is how much?
0.
Tax on 100 lakh. Partnership firm is earning 100 lakh.
40 lakhs.
I'm not asking the surcharge. I'm asking the total tax.
30 lakh.
30 lakh. Any surcharge? No surcharge. Zero surcharge. This is what you were saying. Zero surcharge. But 30 lakh tax is there. So 30 lakh. 100 lakh. 30% tax is there, but no surcharge. 30 lakh plus 1 lakh. How much it is? 31 lakh. This is A. This is B. When you were sitting at 100 lakh, you were paying 30 lakh rupees of taxes, only 30%, no surcharge. And your income increased just by 1 lakh. So you are saying, sir, take that 31 lakh. But why you are taking this? Give me the discount. Whether A is greater than B, the answer is yes. So relief is equal to A minus B. 33 lakh 93,600 minus 31 lakh. How much is the relief? 293,600. $124, 32 lakh 24,000. Guys, please tell me, have you understood it or not? Anyone who has not understood, please let me know. Anything which you have not understood, please do let me know. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt over here? You have missed even a single point. You think it's a silly question? Don't worry, guys. Ask. You think it's a silly question? Don't worry. Ask. Okay, let us revise. Guys, partnership firm. Slab rate or flat rate?
Flat.
Slab rate or flat rate? Flat rate. So partnership firm flat rate. On all income or on special income, they have special rates only. On special income,
Special rates.
right. On normal income, flat rate. Right. Flat rate. Flat rate is how much? 30%. So 30% is the flat rate. Rebate is for only for resident individual. Otherwise, rebate is not even for HUF. Now, tax on 101 lakh, 30% plus 12% surcharge also. Because if you earn more than 1 crore, then there is a surcharge also partnership firm has to pay. And because of that surcharge, it might happen that your additional income is less, but your taxes are more. So you might get a relief also. But if you are earning somewhere at, see, here though you are just cross that limit of 1 crore. But if the difference is huge, let's say if you are earning 120 lakh, 130 lakh, then there would be no marginal relief. Okay. Everyone. Now, again repeating. Again, one, individual. Second, HUF. Third, AOP BOI. Although AOP BOI are separate, but in Income Tax Act, we don't treat them separate. Individual, 1. HUF, 2. AOP BOI, 3. Artificial juridical person, 4th. You will never get artificial juridical person in your examination. Pick up last 10 years paper. 10 years means how many attempts? Double or triple attempts. Pick up your last 10 years paper. You will never get even a single question on AJPs or AOP BOI. You will not get. You will not get companies, etc. But you should need to know little bit of knowledge. You will get only for individual or maximum HUF. Guys, individual HUF, AOP BOI. What is the slab rate? 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, etc. Whatever we have done in last 5 classes, for all these people it is same. For all these people it is same. Rebate is only for individual resident. Unexhausted limit, it is only for individual or HUF. Do you remember unexhausted limit benefit? That if your normal income is less than 4 lakh, then we move from 111A, 112, 112A. Only for resident individual and HUF, that is the benefit. It is benefit of not for anybody else. Surcharge rate, everything it is same for them. What is the surcharge rate for individual? 0 to 50, 50 to 1 crore, 1 crore to 2 crores. HUF, same. AOP BOI, same. Artificial juridical person, same. For them, almost everything is same. For them, almost everything is same. Let us do for HUF. Everybody. Compute, let's say example. Let's say there is an HUF. You are doing an assessment for HUF. Compute tax liability of RAM HUF. Compute tax liability of RAM HUF. Their house property income is 20 lakh. Their PGBP income is 10 lakh. Their capital gain income is 250 lakh. From 111A, 100 lakh. From 112, 80 lakh. And their IFOS income is 10 lakh. 10, 20, 10, 250, 280, 290. Is it 290 lakh? Guys, I am not telling you. Please tell me the answer. Tax liability. Take 5 minutes and tell me the answer. Everything same like individual. Tell me the answer. Take 4 to 5 minutes. Text on above. This is HUF assessee, right? Text on above. On 111A 100 lakh, 112 80 lakh, 112A we don't have, casual income we don't have, on remaining income. $110 lakh. Triple one A, 20%, 20 lakh, 12.5% on 80 lakh.
10 lakhs.
Very good, 10 lakh. Tell me on 110 lakh, at flat rate or slab rate?
Slab rate.
Slab rates, very good. Same slab rate. 24 lakh, 3 lakh, more than 24 lakh, 30%.
28 lakh 80,000.
Correct. Tell me how much is the surcharge? Guys, in which level?
8,82,000.
Sunita, repeat. Bhuvan, you will repeat.
8,82,000.
Okay, tell me the rate. Tell me the rate which you have applied
15%. 15%.
15%.
on entire
15%.
on entire one. Yes. Why? Because this person is not in any category. This person is not in any category. So see,
Yes, sir.
because it is more than 2 crore, it is 2.9 crores. But if I exclude my 111A 112, then it is coming less than 2 crores. So this person is not in any category. So 15%. So I have not told you for HUF, but you automatically knows it because it is same like individual. So 58.8 into 15%, it is 8,82,000. Correct, 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 correct. Plus this. So is it coming as 67 lakh? 62, correct.
62,000.
Plus 4% health and education cess.
2,70,000.
Everybody understood?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, now I'm changing the assessee, right? Because in your partnership, in your CA firm, you can have different types of assessee. Guys, for companies, as of now, for companies, always assume that if I'm not giving you, whether it is a foreign company or Indian company, always assume Indian company. And always assume 30% tax rate. Although it is 25 for some, but I'm not telling you right now because I have already told you so many things today. So I don't want to mix it up, all the things together, right? Now, please write surcharge rate for companies. Guys, please don't learn this. I'm telling you, please write it over here just for knowledge. Just for knowledge. Not to learn. If it is domestic companies or if it is foreign company, if your total income, the surcharge rate for others is very easy. The partnership firm is very easy. 0 to 1 crore, no surcharge, more than 1 crore, 12%. Total income, surcharge rate. So if your total income of a company is 0 till 1 crore, no surcharge. Same like partnership firm. Till 1 crore, we are not charging any surcharge. But if you increase your income from 1 crore till 10 crores, 1 crore to 10 crore, it is 7%. And if you go 10 crore and above, it is 12%. So for domestic companies, I am telling you not to learn, just for knowledge purpose. If your income is 0 to 1 crore, no surcharge. 1 crore to 10 crore, 7%. 10 crore and more, 12%. And there is no problem of that 111A, 112. Why? Because that problem arises whenever the surcharge goes beyond 15%. Here, so we are not going beyond 15%, so there is no problem. Understood? So there is no problem over here. We will take just your total income. Foreign company. Let's say your client is a foreign company. So their total income, surcharge. Guys, what is the tax rate? Normal tax rate for domestic company? 30%. Write it over there. The tax rate is flat 30%. What is the tax rate for foreign company? Do you remember?
35%.
35%. Okay. Total income 0 to 1 crore. No surcharge. So it means that whether you are a domestic company or a foreign company, if your income is up till 1 crore, or even for a partnership firm, if your income is up till 1 crore, we are not taxing any surcharge. We are not taking any surcharge from you. And if your income goes more than 1 crore to 10 crore, guys, foreign companies are anyways giving more taxes, right? Everybody agree? If you compare domestic
Yes,
company
sir.
and foreign companies are already giving more taxes. So we'll say, since you are giving more taxes, so we will not charge this much surcharge from you. We will charge only 2% surcharge. Since you are already giving more taxes, so we will charge only 2% surcharge. And if you go more than 10 crores to infinity, only 5%. Since you are already paying high taxes, highest taxes you are paying 35%, so we are reducing your surcharge. Guys, I am telling you again and again, only for knowledge. Don't get afraid. You don't have to learn this. Now, let's say a company comes to you. Let's say Reliance Industries comes to you and they say, now write an example. Everybody has written this.
Yes, sir.
So write the last
Yes,
example
sir.
for the day. Write the last example for the day. Compute tax liability of Wipro Limited. Right? It's a domestic company. And if the question is silent, always assume that it's a domestic company. Correct? Now, there, can a company can have a salary income? What do you think? Don't write it. What do you think, guys? Can a company can have a salary income?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not possible. Not possible. So they will give salary, but they are not working anywhere as an employee, right? So not possible to have a salary income, obviously. Other income they can have. All other income they can have except salary. So practically not possible in a salary income. So can they have house property income? Yes. Wipro has house property income of 40 lakh. They have PGBP income of 220 lakh. They have capital gain of 100 lakh. 112 60. 112A 20 lakh. They have IFOS income of 80 lakh. $40 plus 220 plus 100 plus 80. 4 crore 40 lakh. 440 lakh. 4 crore 40 lakh. Guys, can you try? So this is a company who comes to you and they are asking you, please can you compute the tax rate? Text on above. On special income, special rates. Everybody will pay special rates on special income. 111A we don't have. Casual income we don't have. $360 lakh is the remaining income. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Good. Dikshita, Rudra, Rishika, Lisha, Asmita, Abhinav, Abhinaya, you all are getting it?
Yes, sir.
Manly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 112, Laksh, where is Laksh? Laksh is there. Laksh, you are getting it, Peter?
Yes, sir.
112, 60 lakh. 60 lakh at rate of 20, no, 12.5%, right?
Yes, sir.
At rate of 12.5% in excess. Tell me what is the rate on remaining income for companies?
1 crore 8 lakhs.
Correct.
30%.
30% flat, right? So this is 360 into 30%, 1 crore 8 lakh. Is it 117 84,375?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, do you think that they have to pay surcharge also? Is their income more than 1 crore? Is their income more than 1 crore? Yes.
Yes.
We have to see only total income. So in which category they are coming, guys? This is domestic company. So where they are, their income is 4.4 crores, 440 lakh. 440 lakh is here. So surcharge rate would be how much? 7%.
7%.
Surcharge at rate of 7%. Is this the one?
Yes, sir.
So now you are getting an idea that how to compute the taxes for various types of assessee. Tax liability and needs to be rounded off. Okay. Sorry. Everybody done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us write whatever we have done till now in the last 5 classes. Right? Whatever we have done until now in last 5 classes. Tell me different kinds of assessee. Just tell me 5 types of assessee. Individual,
Individuals, HUF,
HUF, who else?
Partnership, LLP,
Partnership firm, LLP, partnership firm, same. What else?
AOP, BOI,
AOP, BOI. What is the full form of AOP?
Associate of Persons.
Everyone. Association of person, right? Association of person. What is the full form of BOI? Body of individual.
Body
Body
of
of
incorp.
individual.
Okay, body of individual. And then we have companies, foreign companies, etc. Okay. So we have individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, and artificial juridical person also. Then we have partnership firms also, which we call them firm, including LLP is also there. Then we have companies also, right? Domestic company, foreign companies. So there are a few more, but largely there are these types of assessing. Now, tell me, if they have normal income, individual will pay tax at what rate? Slab rate or flat rate?
Slab rate.
Slab rate. Okay, slab. HUF, slab. AOP, BOI, slab rate. Firm, flat rate.
Flat rate.
Domestic company, flat rate. Foreign company, flat rate. And what is the flat rate for the firm? 30%. For domestic company, it is 30%, but for small companies, it is, please write, small companies, it is 25%. I'll tell you in the next class. So I don't want to mix everything today. And foreign companies, flat rate 35%. Guys, try to make this chart. No need to summarize and no need to memorize anything. Just we are doing a summary of what we have done in the last 4 or 5 classes. Try to make this chart. Individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, firm, domestic companies, foreign companies. So individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, and artificial juridical person like mosque, temple, church, gurudwara. Slab rates. Firm, 30% flat. Domestic companies, 30% flat. Small companies, there are 25% also. Foreign companies, flat rate, 35%. Okay. Then tell me, if they have special income like 111A, 112A or casual income, everybody will pay special rate. Everybody will pay special rate of tax. Correct? Then we have done unexhausted limit. If your normal income is less than the basic assumption limit. So unexhausted is not available in AOP, BOI, firm, domestic companies, foreign companies. It is available only in case of individual and HUF. That too, if they are resident. If they are non-resident, then also it is not available. You know this. Rebate 87A is only available in case of individual if that person is a resident. In all other cases, not available rebate. Then surcharge for individual HUF, AOP, BOI. It is same. What it is? 0 to 50 lakh, no surcharge. 50 lakh till 1 crore, 10%. 1 crore to 2 crore, 15%. And excluding 111A, 112A and dividend, if more than 2 crores, then 25%. Got it now? It is little different. After excluding this, if it is more than 2 crore, then 25%. Not in any category, 15%, you know. And for partnership firm, you don't have to learn, no need to learn. But it is, if it is 0 to 1 crore, no surcharge, and more than 1 crore, 12%. This is for the partnership firm. 0 to 1 crore, no surcharge. More than 1 crore, 12% surcharge. No need to learn. Domestic companies and foreign companies, I'm doing it same. 0 to till 10 crores, 0 till 1 crore, 1 crore till 10 crores, and more than 10 crores. If it is domestic company or if it is foreign company, no surcharge. Here it is 7% and 12%. Here it is 2% and 5% for domestic and foreign companies. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Marginal relief is for everyone. Whenever you will not get it, I'm telling you, even for individual HUF, you don't get this in exam. Rarely you get it. But it is for everyone. Whenever there is a surcharge, there will be margin relief also. These are the things we have done in the last 4 or 5, I believe 5 lectures. Now you are little bit aware. I'm not saying very comfortable, but little bit aware that there are different kinds of assessees. Now, if these people will come to our firm and they will ask that how to compute the tax, we know a little bit idea that how to compute the tax for these people, and especially for intermediate students, the institute requires that they should be proficient for individual. For others, so we will learn until CA final, but for individual specifically, for intermediate, it is expected that for individual you should be proficient. Correct? So let us keep it till here. Everybody has written this.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Very good. So let us keep it till here only today, and we will continue in the next lecture. Probably after 2-3 days, we'll have a lecture now, and we'll have more lectures now in a week. So let us continue in the next lecture. Till then, thank you so much. Bye and take care. Probably tomorrow I'll float a homework so that you can do that homework also. Right? Have you received the books, guys?
No,
No,
Not
sir.
yet. Okay. No issues. No issues. You will be receiving it, I believe, in a week's time. Okay. Bye. Take care. See you in the next lecture. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye. Bye, everybody.
sir.